Nadia, from the moment I met you, I knew one day I was going to marry you. I instantly fell in love, and I fell fast. I fell in love with your kind and compassionate heart. I promise to choose you, to always choose you. I'll keep choosing you no matter what.
But I know that it's wrong. We're too far gone to lose anyone. All the love that I've done to find my own with you again. I never felt the fire burning right through. And I know that it's wrong to keep you waiting this long.
Like most little girls, I remember imagining having a loving family of my own one day. But the level of love and protection that you give me each day has completely exceeded any expectation that I've ever had. I believe that everything in my life happened the way that it did so that it would lead me to you.
I never meant to fade, but I know that it's wrong. We're too far gone to lose anyone. All the love that I've done to find my own with you again. I never felt the fire burning right through. And I know that it's wrong to keep you waiting this long.
I've watched you grow into a strong, driven, and determined mother, and you make me so proud with how you fight for nothing but the best for our little man. I promise to catch you if you would ever fall, carry you over every obstacle, and fall in love with you more and more each day.
I can honestly say that I wake up on every Sunday morning and still sigh in relief that everything is okay because I've got the love of my life right by my side. And I promise to always cherish, always grow and protect our special love. I love you so much.
It's my absolute pleasure to finally and officially pronounce you both as husband and wife. Matthew, please kiss your wife.
When Nadia came to me for some advice on whether or not she should go on a date with a really cute guy in the army who had reached out to her via Instagram, I was quick to put my foot down and say absolutely not. However, to my dismay, Nadia went ahead and went on this date, and here we are 4 years later on their wedding day. Nadia, it's been an honour to stand by your side through all these years, watching you grow into the amazing woman and mother that you are today. And Matt, thank you for being her rock. You have come to reassure me that indeed some army boys can be the complete package.